Intel just launched their next generation Lunar Lake mobile CPUs aiming to take on AMD's Ryzen AI 300 and Snapdragon's X Elite CPUs. In Berlin, Intel showcased, and I quote, historic x86 power efficiency with their Intel Core Ultra 200V SoCs. According to Intel, the Xe2i GPU inside these new SoCs are 31% faster than their previous generation, 16% faster than AMD's HX370, and 68% faster than Qualcomm's X Elite. I'm coming to graphics performance later, but why I am calling these CPUs SoCs and what is the CPU performance like? These new Intel chips will have RAM, GPU, NPU, and all other component integrated on a single chip except the storage. So that means if you want to upgrade your RAM or Wi-Fi chip, you cannot do that. The platform will offer up to 32 gigabytes of onboard memory, and for thin and light laptops which the platform is targeting, 32 gigabytes is enough. Another interesting thing with these CPUs is this going to be the first architecture in a long time from Intel that we are not going to see any kind of hyper-threading. In 2024, do you need multi-threading for power critical platforms like laptop? That's a different conversation, but I found it really interesting that Intel chose to do it this early. All the 200V CPUs will have 8 cores and 8 threads. Those 8 cores are further divided into 4 P cores for performance and 4 E cores for efficiency. According to Intel, these new P cores have 15% better performance per watt and 14% IPC improvement compared to last generation. And the E cores will have twice the throughput and 68% IPC improvement over last generation. Together make these CPUs to have 18% faster cores compared to Intel Core Ultra 7 155H and twice the performance per watt compared to Intel Core Ultra 7 165H. These new Core Ultra 200V family will range from Core Ultra 5226V to Core Ultra 9288V, differentiated by how much RAM they have and what kind of iGPU they have. Intel offers 2 types of iGPUs with these CPUs. So Arc 130V with 7 Xe2 cores and Arc 140V with 8 Xe2 cores. According to Intel, these iGPUs are going to be much better than the competition, as I have mentioned earlier in the video, and it will be doing that while consuming less power than the competition. But don't take Intel's word for it, don't trust first party benchmarks blindly, and don't get hyped over it. We have a recent example of what happened when you do that, and Intel has thrown some shade over ARM CPUs. If you watch the event, you will know that Intel don't believe on ARM CPUs. They do trust on x86 CPUs to be the future of computing. As a platform, it has 120 TOPS of AI performance, and the NPU standalone has 48 TOPS of AI performance, which is gonna be way more than Microsoft's minimum requirement for Copilot plus PCs. Battery life also should be better, and Intel showcased 20 hours battery life with these laptops or laptops having these CPUs, but again, don't trust on them. Wait for independent reviewers to do their real world test, and then we will get to know what's the real world performance is like when it comes to battery life and performance. I generally don't cover mobile space that much. I'm more focused and more interested in the desktop side of the computer industry, but I really found it interesting Intel to launch this kind of product or any product at the point where they have been in the hot waters for a long time. Now, Intel has said that these CPUs won't be having the same problem as some of their previous generation CPUs. Desktop CPUs are having random crashes and all. At this point, if I look at the mobile industry, whether it's from AMD's Ryzen AI CPUs and now these Lunar Lake CPUs, they are like the mobile CPU space or the mobile market looks very stable. Like all these CPUs looks very competitive to each other. It's just how much pricey they are going to be, what kind of models laptop manufacturer will make with these CPUs. But as a product, as a chip, these looks very interesting, I have to say that. And that was it for today's video. I tried to keep it short and simple, and it was very early. I just got the news, made the video, and I hope I'm gonna edit it fast and upload it under 48 hours and upload it, but let's see what happens. But if you like the video, hit the like button. If you haven't liked it, well, feel free to dislike. And if you want to watch more videos from us, check out this video right here. And if you want to subscribe, well, do it by here. And there's Akash, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.